Hello, my name is Conrad with Blue Sky Drum Academy, and today we're going to focus on triplets, 8th note triplets and 16th note triplets out of the Haskell Harr. It's lesson 34. And of course you can always purchase this book and follow along in the book. You're going to be playing, like the 8th note triplets. You'll start with the right and you end on the right, and then the next one will be a left, okay? So if it gets confusing, it's just best to try to follow the sticking that they put in the book, and then after a while you'll figure out about right hand lead, but that comes down later. And but for now you're just learning the triplets. They have like a quarter note gets 3 notes. So in the first example you're going to have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so you got, when you're doing a full measure of triplets, you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and where before when you played 8 notes, you were playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now you have a count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the first half we're going to be doing 8 note triplets, and it'll be using this count of 1 and 2 and. So I'll play the first, I guess it's like 5 measures. It'll be 8 note triplets. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 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 The next one, example number 2, will be, it'll be on beat 2. So you're going to be going 1, 2 and 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 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 Okay, number 3, you'll be starting the triplet on 1. You'll be 1 and 2, 3, 4. 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 Number 4, you have 2 sets of triplets on 1 and 3. So you're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 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 Number 5, you'll be playing the triplet on 2 and 4. So you're going to go 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 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 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. So the next, on number 6, you're going to have your first 16th note triplet. And so when they say 16th note triplet, you're going to see 2 lines going across the top. And that's usually the sign of 16th notes. And in this case here, you're going to be playing from the 8th note, the and. On the first example, you'll be playing on the and of 2 going to 1. So before you did the whole triplet 1 and out. So now you're not going to really count it. You're just going to play it. So you're going to hear the 3 notes, but you're going to go like, you're going to go from, in this example here, you're going to go 1 and 2 and, so you're going to go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Okay, here we go. Number 6, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Okay, number 7, you'll be playing on the and of 1. So you're going to go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Number 8, you're going to on the and of 1 and the and of 2. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. On number 9, you're going to be going from the beat to the and. And so the triplet's going to start on the beat. Up to now it's been on the and. Here we go. So you're going to go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. And so the last one, number 10, is back to 8 note triplets, but now you're going to be playing 2 in a row. So what you're going to notice on the first one, you're going to start on the right hand. On 2, you're going to start with the left. So since it's odd meter, you're going to go 1 and you're going to start on the right, and then the next one, 2 and will be with the left. So here we go, number 10. 1 and 2